Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Put your Apple Watch on and confirm it has at least 30% charge. Open the Sleep app, then set a realistic bedtime and wake time. This creates your schedule. Once done, enable sleep mode and wind down so do not disturb, and a simplified lock screen reduce interruptions. Make sure health permissions are granted so data flows to your iPhone. This first step gets tracking active and lets the watch collect movement and heart rate for accurate sleep staging. Next, refine what you track. Open the watch app on your iPhone and confirm sleep tracking is enabled, plus permit heart rate and motion access. Once configured, adjust sampling frequency for more granularity if available. This improves stage estimates. Make sure your band fits comfortably but snugly. Loose bands reduce heart rate accuracy. Then set sleep focus automations and wind down routines to launch apps or scenes. These reduce blue light and cue your body. Together, these adjustments make them. Finally, review your sleep each morning in the Health app. Focus on total sleep, time in bed, and heart rate trends to see patterns. If sessions are missing or stages look wrong, make sure Watch OS and iOS are up to date and try restarting both devices, then resync health data. If heart rate or motion readings feel off, adjust band fit or try a different band. Sometimes a reposition solves it. Keep consistent bedtimes. Consistent inputs yield more meaningful sleep insights over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.